Remember last time we met? Mortimer told us a joke. Now I'm going to tell you the answer. How do you keep warm in a square room? You go into the corner where it's always 90 degrees. Okay, let's go on to our next page. Mortimer does have another joke. His other joke is, how many monsters are good at math? Something to think about. Today, we are going to be measuring angles. I can measure angles using a protractor, that fancy machine that I showed you last time. Whenever I see this line here, that means that's the angle I'm measuring. I'm not going to measure this angle all the way around, although I could if I had a circular protractor. But I'm going to measure the angle in here. So I'm going to get real close so you can see what I am doing here. Oh, there. Okay. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find the little dot on my protractor. See, there's like a little dot there. I'm going to place it on the vertex, the place where the two rays meet to make an angle. And I'm going to make sure my line, the line I'm starting with, is on the 0. See how it's looking to make sure it's on the 0 there? And now I can easily see, now I know it's going to be the upper one because I know it can't be 110 degrees. It can't be that one because that would make it bigger than 90 degrees, and this is an acute angle. So I know it has to be 70 degrees. So it looks like this angle is exactly 70 degrees. Oh, you can't even see it, can you? There we go. 70 degrees. That little circle up there, that's a degree symbol. Cool. Okay. Now, this next one I know has got to be bigger than 90 degrees. It's an obtuse angle. I'm going to move this over for us. Get this in a good position. Okay, so it is an obtuse angle, which means that it is bigger than 90 degrees. That helps me when I measure. Remember, guys, I put that little white circle over the top. And I can see that my bottom ray is lined up with my 0. And now I know, when I look over here, it can't be a 30-degree angle because it's way bigger than 90 degrees. It must be 150 degrees. So this is an obtuse angle that is 150 degrees. Okay, I want you to try the next 3 all on your own. Whenever we see a pencil like that, that means you're going to try it on your own. Try it on your own now. Pause it. Come back and check your answers. Okay, bye. Okay, I'm back. Hopefully you paused it and actually listened. So I'm going to go ahead and let's get really zoomed up in here. I'm going to put my little circle on there where that vertex is. Make sure that it's right on the vertex. I'm going to see that it's at 0. I'm going to see that it can't be 180 degrees. That would be way too big. It would be obtuse, and this is acute. So it must be 20 degrees. Okay, this one. Let's see here. I put my little guy right on the vertex. And I can see that my line is straight here. And now I'm going to look and see if I were to carry that angle up. Ooh, that's a permanent marker. We want to be careful. That it cannot be the 80-degree one because that would be less than 90 degrees. And we know this is an obtuse angle that is bigger than 90 degrees. So I think it's about 10 degrees more than a 90-degree angle. So it must be 100 degrees. Okay, this one is really obtuse. It's a big guy. Go ahead and put my little guy, my circle there on the vertex. I'm going to see that my line is going all the way out there. Now, if I were to carry this over, I would see that it's kind of between the 140 and 150. I think this is about 145 degrees. Is that what you guys got? I hope so. And Mortimer, how many monsters are good at math? None. Unless you count Count Dracula. Huh. Mortimer, that wasn't very funny. Okay, we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.